Salut à tous.
Bonjour.
Bienvenue à Pistol Lineman Workshop. To a very special episode of the Pistol Lineman Workshop because we have some parcels.
Package!
And we're going to unbox them with you, all our subscribers, fans and followers. We've got 2 parcels, which is pretty cool. They are massive. Well, one is.
Well, not any complaints.
So, we got this one, which I'm going to say is tennis ball because of how heavy it is. Oh yeah, you can have that one. Merry Christmas.
It's not my birthday yet.
And then, if I could, we got this one. Yes, I've covered everyone. Oh, so, we're going to see what we've got.
How come you get the big one?
Oh, I'm bigger than you.
What's that got to do with it?
Well, I can pick it up. Are we doing this one first and do the big one first?
Yeah, do the big one first. Well, you're going to have to fucking egg with a camera down your dough whacker.
Ow, I'll give it. Trusty screwdriver to.
Beauty.
Look at that. That's it. That one. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'll show you as well. Well, hey!
What's in this box then, mister?
Well, we have a selection of our favourite Australian tipple, which the French must like too.
Yes, rather apt.
Yes, so...
I can see so.
Oh, hey, that's a big bit.
Yeah, it is a big bit.
I'll get rid of all this packing.
That's it.
So it looks like someone's got a problem.
Wow. Check that out, ladies and gentlemen.
No, that's going to look...
That's going to
be fast now, isn't
isn't
it? Oh, yeah, it don't look too bad, isn't it? Actually, a bit
Well, it was
flaky.
only €10. You didn't risk it. What the cheapest.
Oh yeah, but that's why you should always risk it and go. Don't spend when you don't have to. So there you go, you can have that. Mind your eyes. And what else have we got?
Gee, Splitter, this is what I always wanted.
I thought it was. That's why I got it.
Can we fit it now? Hey, it's got a hole in it.
Hey,
It's got a hole in it.
what's going on?
Cross bolts.
Oh, it does a bit, doesn't it?
Yeah, you didn't mention that on the listings, did it? You said that was a good one.
Well, we thought it was.
Well, you told me you could speak French.
I've
Oh,
got
that's
a gun.
blue. Hey, what's that?
Check that out. Hey, oh, you can have that one. I've got another one.
Blub, blub. Blub, blub. Blub, 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 blub. Blub, blub. Blub, blub, blub. Blub, blub, blub.
So, yeah, we've got a couple of them. So they're going to sexy. Because... Ow. The wombles are on route. Can't believe you just put your mouth on that. That's come from some French town somewhere. Could have,
Well, it wouldn't have been out of his arsehole, would he?
Oh, you never know.
Yeah.
It is the French.
Yeah. Well, they look a bit better than the mudguard anyway. They got holes in.
Hey,
What you got? Oh,
pea shooter. So,
well, obviously they must fit because they was in the same picture.
oh yeah, and they all said they were for the same bike. So.
What about that then? Well, you read the French and you told me that was a good. Yeah, that might
Well, I
be
was
fish.
using Translate on it. Oh yes. Hey, look
Check
at that.
out. What? Look like an MZ by the end of the night.
Yeah. Well, that'll keep the neighbours happy. So that is everything in that box. So we'll get rid of this mess and move on to the next. So that was exciting. So
Yes.
we're going to do the smaller parcel now. So I've got my screwdriver in my hand this time. That'll help. So,
Oh, look what this could be.
and that way as well.
Whoa. Oh,
Hey, this one looks posher than the last one.
well, pan the camera down so the fans can see.
Yeah. So these.
You've got to lift it up again. Oh, no. Go. Well, help it.
Oh no, I'm still quite low.
I know it's still quite low. That's it.
That's the one. Now you can see us. Right, this one did come from a different seller, as you can see by the sexy packing we got in this one. Oh, we got a cheeky headshot. Hey, it's looking good.
Hey, that actually looks like an engine.
Well, tubers, this is quite heavy. This is what our engine should look like. Let's tilt you back up so everyone can see. There we are.
Does it turn?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
It's resting on my head.
Wait, what do you mean it's resting on your head?
On my leg.
Oh.
It's cool.
Yeah, it even turns over.
Does it turn all the way?
I don't know.
Oh, it actually feels...
Put your finger in the hole.
Yeah, I don't feel too bad at all.
Well, it's a bit shitty on the bottom.
Oh yeah. I put my leg in that. Oh.
That's genuine French shit, ladies and gentlemen. Now,
Francais merde.
yes, if you would like this, drop a little description in the comments section what you would like to do with it, and we will post it onto you.
Yes.
We'll
scrape it off and send it to Pfizer's, NASA, or you.
yeah.
Send us a postcard. So this is the alien.
Genuine
Look, this
French
is what it
merde.
should look like altogether. It looks like a right robot now, doesn't it? So this is a big ass flyball, wasn't it? Exposed because back in the 40s they weren't shy. Oh, we are missing a bit out of there. I think we've got that on our old engine. Spline looks pretty good.
What looks good?
Spline on the
Oh right, yeah.
on that shaft.
It's got circles on it too.
It does. Oh, yeah, that's pretty.
Yeah.
And the fins look all intact, which is good as well because ours was busted, wasn't it?
Well, actually, it looked like some meathead got hold of ours.
Oh yeah. I'm going to put this down because this is very shitty and heavy.
Yeah, put it back in the pot. That's it.
That's the one. So that was exciting. We've now got something to play with, so we're going to probably clean it up a bit and fit it. So thank you very much for watching.
Well, no, we've got to strip the frame down and rub and sandblast and paint it. Yeah, you dough whacker before we put the engine in. Are we going to strip the engine as well?
Well, it turns over. Yeah, okay, we'll do that first then.
Well, yeah, it's always best to strip stuff down before when you
It's
store
spark
it.
plug.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you have a spark plug before?
Yes.
Oh, you did?
A brand new
we'll
one.
try that.
I've got a brand new spark. Yeah. It didn't spark, oddly enough.
Did it not?
No, I think I was stunned.
Yeah. Well.
I should have walked away when the bloke told me the tar's even held there.
Yes. Before we go, Tubers, let's have a quick reminder of what we actually purchased. Not the bits, the bike. As we pan round. There she is. In all her
Girder
glory.
forks.
Girder forks. And change.
Rigid arse end.
And tyres that hold there.
Yes.
So, okay, next episode we'll strip the engine, have a look inside, make sure everything's okay. But it's damn sight better than our original one.
Yes.
So, now thank you very much for watching. Please join us again. Like and subscribe. Find
Check
us
out
on
the
Facebook.
Facebook.
And au revoir.
Yeah, with what?
Au revoir.
Yeah.